I describe Life Partner? Well, Life Partner is a film on marriage, and it's about two sets of marriage. There's an arranged marriage and there's a love marriage. It's about how the smallest of things, make a difference in a marriage, and how at times when you think everything is nice and rosy, there are problems for sure. Well, Sanjana is a kind of girl who's, she changes the profession every 3 to 4 months, and she believes she's the best at what she's doing, and also because she's such a pampered girl, like she's the only daughter in her house, and her father loves her to the core of 100. So he's always makes her live in a world of fantasy, basically. So Sanjana sings terribly, but she thinks she sings brilliantly. She paints like terribly, and she thinks she paints like wow. But that's Sanjana. I mean, and she's not a bad person. She's someone who has a very soft corner because her whole life revolves around her boyfriend Karan and her husband Karan and her father. That's her world.
How similar to real life and your character in Sanjana?
I am totally different. I'm nowhere close, but I love Sanjana. I love the fact that Rumiji has written a character that nobody would write, and there is this kind of girl that exists in society who loves partying, who loves going out at night, but that doesn't make her a bad girl. She's a very sweet girl. She has her priorities in her place, in their place, and her entire life is about love for the people that matter to her.
How different do you comedy sequence with the whole cast?
Well, we don't have like slapstick comedy. The situation is it's not like slapstick comedy. There's very much a story, and it's basically how the situations are more funny, and they are comic. So it wasn't hardcore difficult, but of course working with uh, uh, actors who are more senior than you are makes you have a slight chill. But thankfully the cast was so great that we had just had a blast on set.
Talking about comedian Govinda, no? Do you feel like Govinda is our comedian because
He's a legend. Yeah. Well, actually, Sanjana and Jeet, Govinda's character, hate each other in the film. So it was even more difficult because I don't hate him and I like idolize him and I like him. So it's a little difficult, um, but yeah, it was fun. I mean, the whole star cast are such nice people, more than just actors. They're such nice people that there was nothing tough on sets. There was nothing difficult. There was just like so much of positive energy, such a good vibe all throughout.
you are playing Ferdinand Khan. How's it for Ferdinand Khan?
Fatin is an absolute brat. He tags me all the time, by the way, but he's a very, very sweet co-star to have.
Tushar and Prachi.
Tushar and Prachi are buddies. They're great. Prachi and me got along like a house on fire. Tushar and me get along like superbly. So yeah, it's great.
What was his interest like in this movie? What was it? Script? Is it
Script, yeah, I heard the script before Janitu released, and I really liked it. And yeah, I thought it was funny, and yet not just funny for the sake of being funny, but it had a very nice story as well.
Kannada music already had
Well, I think singing Besura also helps sometimes because Kuke is such a Besura song, but it's so popular today. Yeah.
One things like in Tamil one. What was it?
Oh, I was annoying. I was like, why are you putting a tape on my mouth? But I guess it went with the song.
Do you think writer can be a good director like the music from writer than a great director?
Yeah, I definitely think so. I think they're not. I mean, I worked with Abbas, who is also a writer and turned director, and now Rumi ji, and both of them have been brilliant at what they've done. And Rumi ji is a fantastic person, more than just a director. He's a really nice human being.
How's it Rami Jaffrey as a director?
Who?
Rami Jaffrey as a director?
Oh, very, very good. He's a friend more than a director. You can tell him everything and anything. And he has such a good temperament on sets that because of his temperament, work just happens faster. Like, we would pack up every schedule 2 days earlier because, he's so calm and so complacent. He won't unnecessarily scream, unnecessarily throw a fit, which makes a big difference to have a director. Like.
Talking about star cast, I think it's Govinda. Is it difficult अगर उनके साथ कुछ comic scene करना है? But time नहीं comedy.
हाँ 100% डिफ़िकल्ट तो है लेकिन काम तो करना पड़ता है एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ एक्टर लाइक गोविंदा यू ऑब्वियसली गेट अ लिटिल यू गेट अ लिटिल नर्वस बट ही मेक्स यू कंफर्टेबल और बहुत ही इनकरेजिंग है न्यू कमर्स के लिए सो इट्स इट्स वेरी नाइस
और फर्स्ट डे जब आप शूट करते हो उसका है
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। उन्होंने चांस ही नहीं दिया घबराने के लिए, तो इट वाज़ वेरी नाइस। What is the audience? Why were the audience? Because it's life partner, and because if you want to have a life partner, if you want to know what goes wrong with having a life partner, you must come and see life partner. Huh? Single, very much single. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
हाउ डू आई डिस्क्राइब माई लाइफ पार्टनर? आई थिंक सारी लड़कियों की ये एक ह्यूज लंबी रिक्वायरमेंट लिस्ट होती है. गुड लुकिंग होना चाहिए, इंटेलिजेंट होना चाहिए, ह्यूमरस होना चाहिए, ये वो. बट आई थिंक particularly there's nothing that one can actually with a mindset start looking out for somebody. When you actually find your real life partner, you just don't know what happened. You just get struck by this thing called love, and शायद ऐसा हो कि वो जो सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो आप विश होप करती थी कि उसमें हो, उसमें से शायद कुछ भी ना हो.
Talking about life partner में क्या है?
Looking for sorry.
What is your role in this movie? Life partner?
In Life Partner, I play the character of Prachi, who comes from Gujarat. बहुत ही मॉडर्न लड़की है. आउटलुक इज़ वेरी मॉडर्न, बट येट वैल्यूज़ आर वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. वो एक रॉयल फैमिली से है, अपने पापा का बिजनेस संभालती है. सो शी इज़ वेरी वेरी सॉर्टेड दैट वे, लेवल हेडेड एंड वेरी क्वाइट बोल्ड.
Like you operated on Tushar, how is it?
The experience was with Tushar was pretty good. We didn't know each other before this film, but इस film के बाद we after working with each other we actually got to know about one another. तुषार के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना था कि बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है एंड ही इज़ क्वाइट अ सीरियस गाय, बट एक्चुअली इस फिल्म के बाद पता चला दैट देयर इज़ अनदर साइड टू हिम. काफ़ी ह्यूमरस है वो, और शायद ही कम्स अक्रॉस एज अ क्वाइट पर्सन, बट नो ही इज़ प्रीटी ओपन.
आज मूवी की बात की, मूवी इज अ थ्रिलर, इज अ कॉमेडी, व्हाट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है?
Life Partner is a romantic comedy actually, and very very light-hearted. It's based on situational comedy and pretty much about life before and after marriage.
Comedy के मतलब मैं different people with Govinda is here, like Praveen, how many people think in comedy scene?
Everybody says that comedy is the toughest thing to do, and it is because वो जो timing होती है, they can, you cannot fake it. You cannot look artificial and trying to forcefully trying to be funny. So वो timing बहुत important होती है. Watching Govinda perform was a delight. वो personally भी बहुत ज़्यादा humorous हैं. He's a lot of fun. और ये जो 3 लड़के हैं फिल्म में, गोविंदा, तुषार, फरदीन, उनकी chemistry, उनका rapport superb था. They play best friends, and watching them perform, we really had fun. Sorry? Definitely, I think fortunately we've got a chance to work with somebody like Govinda. उनको देखकर मज़ा तो बहुत आया, बट यस सीखने को भी काफ़ी कुछ मिला, बिकॉज ही इज़ वन ऑफ अ काइंड. उनके जैसा आई थिंक आज तक देयर इज़ नॉट बीन एनीबॉडी, एंड इट्स ग्रेट हाउ ही स्नैप्स इन एंड आउट. वो वो आई थिंक उनकी जो टाइमिंग है, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट हिम.
Movie also like Genelia and Praveen, how was the movie experience? What is
Working with Fardeen and Genelia was also very very good. Fardeen is another guy with who's pretty cool-headed and calm all the time, and he keeps having fun. I think वो Genelia के साथ he used to keep pulling her leg. Genelia बता रही थी उसकी ragging हुई है. We had fun all in all. उनके साथ I think most of the time we've been I worked with Tushar and she worked with Fardeen, but there were these few scenes and few songs जहाँ पर हम सब ने साथ में काम किया. Those were the best days.
director Rami is a writer from how is it?
Working with Rumi ji was quite good. वो बहुत ही फ़नी इंसान है. Of course उनकी स्क्रिप्ट आज तक जो लिखी है उन्होंने, वो भी काफ़ी फ़नी रही है, but I remember one of his very good films has been चलते चलते, and Rumi ji is a very light-hearted person. सेट्स पर भी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो उनका एक्सपीरियंस इतना ज़्यादा है इस इंडस्ट्री में, वो इतनी सारी कहानियाँ सुनाते रहते थे. वी यूज्ड टू कीप लाफिंग एट व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू टेल अस, एंड इवन द डायलॉग्स, यू नो, उन्होंने जो खुद इतना सारा लिखा है, इतना सारा चेंज किया है, सेट पर भी पूरा टाइम हंसते खेलते, ऑल इन ऑल बहुत लाइट हार्टेड रहा है.
Do you think is the writer can be good director and like Tamil sir?
Sorry.
Do you think a writer can be good director?
You know, when somebody decides that they want to direct a film, it's this point where maybe they are sure of what they are doing. रूमी जी ने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में लिखी हैं. Particularly he wanted to direct this film. I think he knows best his own reasons, but शायद उन्हें लगा होगा कि मेरी ये जो स्क्रिप्ट है, ये मैं खुद बनाना चाहता हूँ. ये पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट शायद उन्हें लगा होगा कि शायद मैं इसे बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट दे सकता हूँ, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही मे बी वेंट अहेड.
Talking about a music already line is famous like Korea.
राइट.
How to learn to music?
यस, इस फिल्म का म्यूज़िक काफ़ी यंग है, कैची है. वन ऑफ माई पर्सनल फेवरेट्स इज़ तेरी मेरी ये ज़िंदगी, एंड वी हैव अ फोक सॉन्ग गूंजी अंगना में शहनाई. सो आई क्वाइट एन्जॉयड इट बिकॉज तेरी मेरी ये ज़िंदगी हमने पूरा केप टाउन में शूट किया, वेर इट वॉज मोर लाइक अ पिकनिक देन एक्चुअली शूटिंग. वी वर सेट फ्री, वी वर जस्ट टोल्ड डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू, एंड वी हैड फन. गूंजी अंगना में शहनाई में सरोज जी ने कोरियोग्राफी की है, and that was the biggest thrill for all of us to be choreographed by her.
Like you see, you playing Prachi, so how much similar to the role, real life role?
Prachi in the film and Prachi outside, similarities I'm sure there are, but differences भी काफ़ी होंगे. I think one similarity is maybe she's a modern girl but yet has traditional values. Maybe I'm like her in that way, modern and yet stuck to the values. Other than that, I think that's the biggest similarity.
Lucky so much, the first one you're Farhan actor, second was Govinda, but then
Right.
lucky so much.
That's what it's good fortune that you know, I'm lucky I'm getting to work with people like this after working with Farhan and all the co-actors in Rock On. In my second film I'm with people like Tushar, Govinda and all of them. Definitely, yeah, touch wood, luck comes first and hard work comes in later. So this opportunity has been lucky.
Like shooting in the first day of shooting, I was scared because Govinda is a big comedian actor. How was it?
Not really. Yes, I had never attempted. I mean, I've never done a comedy film before this, so this is my first attempt to comedy. तो आई थिंक सीखने को ज़्यादा मिला है more than anything else. Initially I must have been nervous, शायद, you know, before starting anything new. Excitement भी होती है, nervousness भी होती है, but through the process, after actually you know, flowing through the days, I had fun.
One last thing, what was the result? Just give us a movie.
I think there are a lot of reasons why people should go and watch Life Partner. I'd say please celebrate your Janmashtami and Independence Day with Life Partner. It's a family film. It's of course a romantic comedy film, and a little bit about life before and after marriage. मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म के जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं, in real life आप सब शायद किसी ना किसी एक कैरेक्टर से ज़रूर रिलेट कर पाएंगे. And yeah, I think families will have so much fun because इसमें जितने भी relationships हैं, father daughter relationship, दो भाइयों की relationship, तीन best friends की relationship, बहुत ही normal है, बहुत ही real है, but इसका बस take funny है. So I'm sure that if you're looking out for something light-hearted, please do go and watch Life Partner.
Do you have any women sexuals and to say us like any swords, seen any swords?
Sorry?
Do you have any women sexuals to say us like behind the scene?
ऐसे शायद बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हुए होंगे जहाँ एक्सेप्शनली विच वर ग्रेट एंड मेमोरेबल, बट पर्टिकुलरली आई थिंक मुझे एक ही बस वो दिन याद आ रहा है जब हम सफारी में शूट कर रहे थे फॉर द सॉन्ग तेरी मेरी ये ज़िंदगी, एंड we were shooting with the cheetahs. Tushar and me were put in this cage with two cheetahs, and the masters told us that, you know, they are not in a good mood, please be careful, you have to stay away. और तुषार को गाना गाना था. मैं पूरे गाने में I was just hiding behind him because I was too scared. This is one funny thing I remember.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.